Hey, thanks again for taking the time out to view this channel. My name is Jasper with iNet Enterprises, and today I'm actually going to show you an actual website on a Wix design. Nope, how about it? Nope. I'm just showing the basic principles of what you can do with your Wix website design. In my previous video, I showed you two landing pages with templates that I did from Wix. Now today I'm more showing you how my Wix website look, and also a showcase of my design skills. So without further ado, I am going to get to it. So as you see here, this one is called the most effective diet page. This is actually what I was going for, basically providing a bunch of dietary tips to continue pushing, motivating people, providing random articles. I have the homepage, this is my homepage here. Personal critique of mine. So this is just a simple showcase. Excuse me. I'm sorry about that. If I had more, I won't say I have more time, but if I really wanted to like put more emphasis into it, I probably would have done like a logo, something like that here, or made this a little bit more. I guess you would say, I'm not really eye popping, but more noticeable. If you're probably watching this video wondering why am I critiquing myself, well, what I do, possibly in my project management, I do a lot of alpha beta testing, user experience testing. So this is just like second nature to me. Anyway, back to this. So yes, so home blog, subscribe, basic principles. Discover the most of the executive diet. If we go to hit explore, it's going to take us down here. Not like climactic, of course, but I could have routed it to another area of the page. But just for the sake of this presentation, I kept it simple. Hold on like a bulldog. 3 secrets to weight loss program. This is just a snippet of what the article is to expect. And of course, if we read more, we're going to read more. I will give it a little bit of time, of course. And like I said before, this is built with the Wix website builder. It's free to start. Of course, if you need a specific features, that's stuff that you would have to pay for. But very intuitive, very user friendly. Yeah, so let me continue. As you can see, here's a little bit of an article here. Yes, I have done this. Created this, wrote this article. A little bit of the, I'm not gonna, you go back up, but it's gonna be, you're gonna see a little affiliate marketing here and there in this page. And another one, why red tea is better than green tea. Another, like I said, short article. There's a few little affiliate links scattered all around. Another one is a detox direction efficient tool for weight loss. Like I said, another little article here. Pictures, definitely have to heighten up the pictures because I probably could have edited it a little bit more with these social signals. So as we're going through here, yeah, I probably should edit some of these things, but overall, basically, the overall intention is to show you all the power that you could do, the visual power, the design power that you could do with Wix. Lovely ladies. I didn't know where they're from. I just did my little research, gathered them, make sure they were web friendly. You can see I have excellent pictures here to describe the purpose of each of these articles. Lovely ladies doing their thing. This is a subscription area. If they had like more, I added them to my subscription list. Create an email list for them. Continue sending motivational articles, and also, in addition, just tips and tricks, healthy living. So this is another one of my websites. I didn't buy the domain yet. This was still in what I like to call my studio. Working in it in the studio. This is just enough to present and to show my web design skills. If you haven't seen the video, the 2 landing pages video, yeah, be sure to take a look at that. It's just to show you how simple and easy Wix is using, and especially for individual workers or entrepreneurs or personal bloggers. It's a very good website, very good website. In the time we always jump to the conclusion with WordPress. WordPress is also another excellent website design site to use, but I feel like it's just a tad of a learning curve, nothing too aggressive. This one is kind of like, oh, gotta get my feet wet with the Wix site, but with the WordPress, just a little bit of knowledge, nothing, a little bit of learning, nothing too difficult. So, oh yes. So with that, I mean, other than that, it's very, very simple. Strongly thinking about doing a Wix versus WordPress, past Wix versus WordPress video. Not quite certain yet, and if you see it in my last video, I mentioned if I could get 30 likes, 30 likes in each of these two videos, so that's a total of 60 likes, then I will consider it. It's a simple little compare versus video, whatever you want to name it. But that's all I have to share today. Simple, just quick demonstration of my videos. As you are aware, I do have a lot of other videos on the channel, a lot of reviews. If you haven't seen the iPhone Android series, you can take a look at it. It's different. It may be simple. Maybe it's considered the same to you, but I think it's a little different. A little different style to it. Oh yeah, so definitely thank you all for viewing this channel. Be sure to hit that like button. If I get a like, great. If not, that's fine too. But always continue to pop in and out to view the channel. And if you just want to say hello in the comments, that would be great. Thank you guys again. And girls, have a good one.